There's cool tech, and then there's next level. In this video, we are breaking down 25 tools that are changing the game, from clever time savers to tools you didn't know you needed. Let's get started. Wheel Stump Grinder. Check out the Power King Stump Grinder, a beast for getting rid of stumps fast. It's got a 14 horsepower Kohler engine, super reliable and backed by a 3-year warranty. Now upgraded with Green Teeth 500 series for sharper cuts. Safety? Covered. Easy to move, rugged wheels and built tough for any yard. If you want stumps gone fast, this grinder's your new best friend. Wood Composite Handle Utility Knife. Meet the Wood Composite Handle Utility Knife. Sharp, eco-friendly, and built to last. The handle's made from wood resin, cutting down plastic by 70% with wood from responsibly managed forests. It feels great in your hand with a secure, non-slip grip. Add a stainless steel blade for smooth, everyday cutting. Smart, sustainable, and super functional. It's the go-to knife for eco-conscious users. Tile Vibration Machine. Say hello to the 20-volt tile vibration machine, the pro's secret to flawless tile installs. It vibrates 3,500 to 8,500 times per minute for smooth, even tile placement with less effort. The 123mm suction cup grips tight with 50 kilograms of force, keeping things steady. Runs on 20-volt battery and comes in a tough BMC case for easy carry and storage. Clean, fast, and efficient. Every time. EFS 200. The EFS 200 is a professional-grade tool designed to make the removal of old window and door frames from masonry faster, cleaner, and more precise. Unlike traditional chiseling methods, it allows for dust-free operation and controlled separation, minimizing damage to surrounding materials. This tool streamlines renovation work, improving both efficiency and cleanliness on-site. With the EFS 200, professionals can achieve consistently clean cuts and a more polished finish, making it an essential choice for anyone involved in window or door replacement projects. Hot Wire Foam Cutter. Check out the Minova Hot Wire Foam Cutter, a 260-watt powerhouse for cutting polystyrene and hard foam like butter. With a 400mm cutting depth, it's perfect for roof panels, floor insulation, or even model making. Adjustable stop tabs keep your cuts clean and consistent. Built for pros and DIYers, it's on promo now. Grab the Gazelle 2.1 while it lasts. 90E Mobile Lift Trolley. The 90E Mobile Lift Trolley is a versatile and user-friendly lifting solution designed for efficiency and safety in various industrial and commercial environments. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation, while multiple control options allow users to adapt the trolley to different tasks. Built with integrated safety features and CE mark for compliance, the 90E offers reliable performance and peace of mind. It is available in both mild steel and stainless steel versions, making it suitable for a wide range of working conditions and hygiene requirements. LED Work Light. The LED Work Light by Tajima is a versatile and durable lighting solution designed for demanding job site conditions. It can be used in multiple ways, as a handheld flashlight mounted with integrated magnets, or worn on a belt using the included detachable safety clip for hands-free operation. Equipped with wide-angle optics and 3 brightness settings, it offers adjustable illumination to suit various work scenarios. Built to high standards, this light is IPX4 rated for water resistance and withstands drops up to 2 meters. Garden Shredder. The Garden Shredder is a powerful and convenient tool designed for efficient garden waste management. Part of the Power Exchange family, it requires 2 18-volt batteries for enhanced performance through its twin-pack technology. The shredder features a large hopper opening and 3 reversible blades made from special steel for effective shredding. It includes a foldable cover to protect the batteries, a motor protection switch to extend the machine's lifespan, and a fold-down hopper with a safety lock for ease of use. STABILA LAX 500. A pro-level cross-line laser with super bright green beams you can see up to 40 meters. Perfect for leveling, height transfers, and axis alignment. It self-levels for spot-on accuracy, and you can lock the angle for tricky setups. Runs up to 20 hours and charges in just 45 minutes. Fast, sharp, and built for serious precision on the job. Next Generation Carbide Burr. The Next Generation Carbide Burr by ATA represents a significant advancement in cutting tool technology, featuring an innovative, patented geometry designed to accelerate manufacturing processes while extending product life. This burr combines cutting-edge geometry with the latest coating technology to sustain high productivity and enhance durability without increasing user vibration. With its next-generation coating, the burr achieves up to double the stock removal compared to other premium burrs, delivering superior cutting performance and finishing capabilities. YATO YT-85800. The YATO YT-85800 is an electric brush designed for efficient cleaning of paving stones and sidewalks. It effectively removes moss, grass, and small weeds from gaps between paving stones and is suitable for use on concrete, ceramic, wooden, and metal surfaces. The lightweight and compact design minimizes the effort required, making it a convenient replacement for multiple tools. Featuring a telescopic tube with a soft grip and an adjustable auxiliary handle, the device can be customized for user comfort and height. X8 Apex Portable Tire Inflator. The X8 Apex Portable Tire Inflator quickly inflates a 26.3-inch car tire in just 56 seconds with precise accuracy. It offers up to 40 minutes of continuous use thanks to its powerful battery and cooling system. With easy one-click operation, preset modes for different tires, and an automatic shutoff, inflation is simple and hassle-free. The kit includes adapters and a charging cable, making it a versatile all-in-one tool. Mini Digital Angle Finder. The Hoopar DL141. Mini Digital Angle Finder is a compact, precise tool built for professionals who need accuracy and durability on the job site. It features a one-button start, 4 measurement units, and 2 reading modes that adapt to various angles and tasks. The Smart Tilt Indicator provides visual guidance for detecting small angle deviations, while the auto-rotating LCD display ensures easy reading from any angle. With a strong magnetic base, it allows hands-free use on metal surfaces. VideoInspector 3DM. The VideoInspector 3DM is a professional video inspection system designed for maximum flexibility, even in challenging environments. Its compact, individually adjustable camera head can be precisely positioned using a joystick on the base unit, allowing inspection of hard-to-reach areas that fixed cameras can't access. The small diameter of the camera head enables it to fit into very tight openings, while still providing reliable 360-degree views, making it ideal for inspecting pipe seals and accurately locating damage. ATEX Stump Grinder Excavator. The ATEX Stump Grinder for excavators is a highly efficient and stable solution for precise stump removal. Designed specifically for use with excavators, it features a Danfoss hydraulic motor mounted above the working area for enhanced protection and durability. The chain-driven flywheel ensures powerful performance, while its simple, low-maintenance design adds to its practicality. Standard features include a relief and freewheeling valve, extended reach for hard-to-access areas, and adjustable deflecting shields for safety from wood chips. Butane Soldering Torch. Meet the Lexivon LX771 Butane Soldering Torch, your all-in-one tool for soldering, wood burning, and more. This 12-piece Pro Kit packs serious heat, reaching up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit with an adjustable flame. It's hands-free, refills in 15 seconds, and runs up to 2 hours. Safe, tough, and easy to use, with child-resistant features too. Perfect for DIYers and pros who need power and precision. Max Carbide Tipped Holesaw. The Max Carbide Tipped Holesaw is a durable, high-performance cutting tool designed for efficient and accurate drilling without the need for assembly. Its one-piece construction ensures precision, while a safety collar stop prevents over-penetration for safer and faster operation. Equipped with special tungsten carbide teeth, it offers superior wear and heat resistance. An ejector spring helps remove slugs easily, streamlining the drilling process. Leak Alert X, your smart guard against water damage. It connects straight to Wi-Fi, no hub needed, and sends loud alarms, flashing lights, and even email alerts when it detects leaks. It runs on a 3-volt battery, includes a long sensor cable for tight spots, and sticks anywhere with its compact magnetic design. Great for basements, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Peace of mind made easy. Cut-off Saw. The TSA 230 is the world's first cordless cut-off saw with a 230mm cutting wheel designed for portability and ease of use. Weighing just 3.9 kilograms, it's both compact and lightweight, making it ideal for use in various environments, including indoor and outdoor work sites. Its emission-free operation allows for greater flexibility, especially in enclosed spaces. This tool is well-suited for professionals such as roofers, landscapers, and construction workers, and is capable of cutting through a wide variety of building materials. 9-gallon Dust Extractor. The 9-gallon dual-battery dust extractor is a high-performance, cordless, and corded vacuum solution designed for powerful dust extraction with maximum versatility. Featuring an automatic filter cleaning system and dual HEPA filters, it maintains top-tier airflow for sustained productivity and meets OSHA Table 1 compliance for job site safety. VacLink wireless control enables remote activation from compatible tools, while integrated sensors detect both airflow and water levels for optimal performance and wet cleanup capability. USAG 609. The USAG 609 is a professional 23-piece socket and bit set designed for maximum efficiency and grip, particularly on damaged or worn fasteners. It features the innovative X-Grip profile, which enhances torque and grip, allowing users to remove fasteners that other tools might not handle effectively. The set includes a variety of hex sockets and bits, tamper-resistant Torx bits, and other common bit types, all organized in a durable, soft-touch bimaterial box with a metal clip for secure closure. The reversible ratchet and additional accessories add versatility to the kit. Angle grinder. Check out the Woken 6.5 A4.5-inch angle grinder. Compact, tough, and ready to cut, grind, or polish with ease. With 11,000 RPM of power and a 6.5 amp motor, it handles all kinds of materials like a champ. Comes with everything you need: side handle, wheel guard, wrench, carbon brushes, and a manual. Lightweight, powerful, and built to last. A solid go-to for any toolbox. Distar Shine. Introducing the Distar Shine blade, the game changer for smooth, chip-free cuts on porcelain stoneware. With an ultra-thin 0.6mm diamond layer and superfine diamonds, it delivers flawless edges with no extra polishing needed. Designed for water-cooled, battery-powered angle grinders, it cuts 2 to 3 times faster and helps your battery last longer. Clean cuts, zero hassle, perfect for pros who want speed and precision. Bullfrog Trac II. Meet the Bullfrog Trac II, a handleless bull float system that levels concrete like a pro, no matter which way you pull. Its smart tilt mechanism adjusts on the fly, making it perfect for tight spots where handles get in the way. Available in different sizes or as a full kit. Want more power? Check out the motorized M series for faster, easier finishing on big jobs. Smartop Polymeric Mortar. Smartop Polymeric Mortar is an innovative, ready-to-use product designed to replace conventional mortar for brick and block masonry. Originating in the US and introduced in Brazil around 2011, it offers better strength, adhesion, and productivity. It reduces labor time by up to 3 times and covers much more area per kilogram than traditional mortar, lowering costs and waste. The mortar allows for thinner plastering, eliminates the need for extra anchors, and ensures a cleaner, faster work process. Environmentally friendly and easy to transport, it provides a modern, efficient solution for masonry construction. Thanks for watching. If something on this list stood out to you, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. There's a lot more coming.